Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Amirul Ashraf bin Ahmad Zamri. So I have been tasked to review five current issues in sports. So let's go to the first one. The first is sportsmanship. Currently in the Portugal League football, there are one striker from Porto FC has been abused racism from the opposite fans. So, in the yearly match, the opponent fans has been making monkey noises to mentally abuse the Porto FC's player. And then during the 60th minute, the Porto FC striker, Marega, he successfully scored for a goal for his team, and then he celebrate by pointing at his skin, which is he is a black skin color. So the opponents are making a louder monkey noises as a result of the action of the Mariga, and then the referee react with giving the Mariga with a yellow card. And then Mariga cannot accept the decision by the referee, and he react with he leaves the pitch during the game, even the game did not even finish yet. So what I want to say here is racism cannot be allowed in sports, in any sport, if not just in football, because skin is just a color. So racism need to be removed immediately from sports, because the enjoyable of sport did not judge by their skin color. It based by their performance, their skills. FC Porto's coach also said that we are like a family. We did not care about the colors. We did not care about the religion. We just came here to play football, and that is just what we need to do. So this is a positive vibes for Mariga to continually participate in Portugal League. Even in English Premier League (EPL), they also promote no racism in football, which is means racism cannot be allowed in football, and also all uh, in all competition of sports. So we move to the next issue, which is the importance of fair play. Currently, Man City FC has been caught for cheating about their financial and transfer record, which is they have been banned from participate in UEFA Champions League or UCL for the next two seasons. Man City has been caught for using the owner's money and not the sponsor's money, which is against the rule that made by the FIFA. FIFA made this rule to make sure the all club can participate equally, which is if the big club that has a lot of money buy all the best player, the better player for the club, and then what is about the small club that has less money? It did not fair. It is not a fair play, which is the big club can easily conquer the league, and it will become less entertaining for the people that left to enjoy the league, the football. So the next issue is violence in sport. The Ultimate Fighting Championship or UFC is a mixed combat sport or event. So commonly the UFC fighter will fully covered with blood during the match. UFC show has been labelled with PG-18, which is parental guide under 18, which the parents can choose to either let their kids watch the UFC show or not. So on the bright side, if the kids watch the UFC show, somehow they can learn how to protect their self, especially if the kids has been suffer bullying in school. So the next issue is a health issue. China has been suffering the coronavirus right now. So the a football team from Korea has been returned from China to prevent the player from getting the virus. The football team has been quarantined from getting into the crowded places. Even during the football team landing at the airport, there are less fans at the arrival hall. So the Korean government has take a safe step by return the football player back to their country. This is as a great action since the football team has been contribute so many title for the country, and this is also as an attribute to appreciate the football team effort. So the last issue will be loyalty in sport. So Pahang FA defender Matthew Davis has been joining the Johor Darul Azim JDT for the next season in the for the Malaysia Super League. So JDT has been recruiting for players with naturalization to strengthen their team. So what is the reason that Matthew Davis joining the JDT? Probably because of money and the environment of stadium and the fans. It is not new for a team to pay for a player to play for their club with a huge amount of money. So it is important in the young age to collect and save money for the future purpose. And this is because during older age, people tend to people has less energy to work and tend to getting injury easily if overworking. Also, the environment and fans also an important element for a football player. JT currently launch their own new stadium, and all the fans will be crowded to the new stadiums to support their teams. So this is a good mental motivation for the player. So that's all the topics that I interested to review with. So thank you.